Hi HBNR families, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to sew this designer waistband professionally. Let's get started. So I'm going to attach my elastic band to the waist of the joggers. So after attaching the elastic band to the waist of the joggers, so I'm going to fold it like this and sew it. So I'm going to mark 1 inch around the waist circumference, and after that I'm going to draw zigzag form throughout it. So after drawing the zigzag, this is how it looks. From the 1 inches I marked around the waist circumference. So now I'm going to start my stitching by following the zigzag line. So if you derive any value from this video, please kindly subscribe to the channel so that you will get notified whenever I drop an amazing video like this. So after I'm done stitching, this is how the waistband is going to look like. As you can see, it looks perfect.